Hello students, today we are going to study about equivalent fractions and simplest form of fractions, chapter number 7, fractions, class 6 mathematics. So let's start. So how to find out equivalent fractions of a given fractions. So let's see the example. First of all, equivalent fractions. How to make equivalent fractions for a given fraction. So two examples we'll take. First one, we need to find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 7. So how to find equivalent fraction of a given fraction? We may multiply both the numerator and denominator, by the same number. अगर हम दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then we'll get the equivalent fraction. See example. See. Let's multiply by 3 both the sides, means numerator as well as denominator. So we'll get 6 by 21. So this is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 7. One more. Let's see one more. 2 by 7. Let's multiply by 5 now. By the same number you have to multiply on both the sides. 2 5s are 10. 7 5s are 35. And when you simplify it, you will get the same result every time 2 by 7 only. Now, let's take one more example. Second example, 3 by 11. Now let's multiply by the same number both the sides. So first fraction we need 3 by 11. Let's multiply by 2. The same number you have to multiply, always same number in numerator as well as denominator. So you will get an equivalent fraction. 3 to the 6, 6 by 22. And one more we need. So one more we will multiply. So again start with 3 by 11. Now multiply by 8. So 8 is 24, 11 is 88. So this is one more equivalent fraction. So this two, 6 by 22 and 24 by 88 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 11. And 6 by 21 and 10 by 35 are equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. So to find the equivalent fractions, you have to multiply by the same number. Now similarly, if we can divide by the same number both the sides, means numerator and denominator, then also we will obtain equivalent fraction. So see the example of that one also. Suppose let us take example of 12 by 15. Let's take this is second case. First case we have studied, this second case. So first example, let's take 12 by 15. 12 by 15. Now we need equivalent fractions, and here we have multiplied. Now we can divide also by the same number, but it must be divisible by both numerator as well as denominator. दोनों से divisible होना चाहिए. Then only we can find out the equivalent fraction. तो इसका एक equivalent fraction निकाल लेते हैं. Both are divisible by 3. You can see दोनों 3 से divisible है. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So we have divided by the same number both the sides, and it must be a whole number ही आना चाहिए और fractions में नहीं आना चाहिए. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर वापस फ्रैक्शन नहीं आना चाहिए. ऐसा हमको डिवाइड लगाना जो दोनों से डिविजिबल हो. हम 4 से लगा दिया यहाँ पे, सपोज करें यहाँ 4 से लगा दिया, तो यहाँ 4 से लगाएंगे तो 4 से 15 नहीं जाता है. तो you have to see this. Now let's take one more example. So there is only one equivalent fraction for this when we are dividing. जब हम divide करें तो एक ही मिल रहा है. अब और divide करके देखो तो नहीं मिलेगा. So in multiplying there we can find out so many, but in division there will be limited one. So now let's see one more example of division one. Now 18 by 20. 18 by 20. Now by what number these two both are divisible? So 2 dividing by 2 both the sides. 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Now no more divisible. So 9 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 18 by 20, and 4 by 5 is equivalent fraction of 12 by 15. So this equivalent fraction over. Now next topic is simplest form of a fraction. So let's study simplest form of the fraction. Simplest form of the fraction. A fraction is said to be in simplest form or lowest form. Simplest form का एक और नाम है lowest form. A fraction is said to be in simplest form or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. See, 2/3. This is in simplest form because if we divide by any of the number, suppose हमने 2 से डिवाइड लगाएंगे तो दोनों में 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, तो there is no common factor other than 1. That means we can divide by only 1. We can divide by 1. 2 divided by 1 and 3 divided by 1. So no common factor, कोई भी common factor नहीं है 1 के अलावा. अगर कोई भी common factor नहीं है तो then it is called simplest form. Now let's see this one, 12 by 20. Now they are not having this fraction is not in simplest form. We have to convert. So let's divide by 2 first of all. 2, then 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Still it is divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2 again. So 2 and 2. We have to divide by both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Then only we can find out in simplest form. 6 को 2 से करना है. तो 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now see 3/5. This is in simplest form because it is having only 1 as a common factor. अब से 1 ही common factor रह गया है. तो simplest form में हम निकाल सकते हैं. Let us take one more example. First, this is second. Now let's take one more example to illustrate more. और example ले लेते हैं. 21/28. Now you can see this is not in simplest form. It is divisible by 7 both the sides. तो 7 से डिवाइड लगा देते हैं. simplest form में लाना है हमको. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 3/4. Now it is in simplest form. So what is simplest form? A fraction is said to be in simplest form or lowest form if its numerator, अगर उसका numerator और denominator में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर ना हो 1 के अलावा. सिर्फ 1 ही कॉमन फैक्टर है. देखो 3 के कॉमन फैक्टर्स ले, 3 के फैक्टर्स ले 1 और 3. 4 के फैक्टर्स ले 1 2 और 4 होता है, मगर कॉमन क्या है दोनों में? 1 ही कॉमन है. तो यहाँ 21/28 इट इज नॉट इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. हमने इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में. So I hope the topic is clear to all of you. Equivalent fraction and simplest form of a fraction. Thank you so much for watching the video.